All right, spring day. The snow is melting quick. She's plus, I don't know what degrees, but it is getting warm. We got our t-shirts on today.
It's -1 actually.
It is -1? I thought it was +1.
-1 feels like -10. Yeah, -9.
Put the finger out there.
-9.
Yeah, it's about minus something. Anyways, you got a new Rockstar there?
I got, yep.
These are the fresh ones. Welcome to Canada. The US has probably had these for 10 years, but you know, we're a little behind in Canada.
These are delicious.
It's cold up here, you know, shipping and handling takes a while, you know. Anyways, we're gonna rip it.
Doing a commercial there.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing a commercial? We should have did it in slow-mo. What's going on? Yeah, so the snow is melting, so this is probably gonna be the last sled video of the season for down here. I'm headed to Muskoka this weekend, so hopefully we'll get a few more sled videos. And then the weapon is gonna get sold. Let's get rid of it. It's time for quadding season. Quad's almost fixed. It's taken months. You completely destroyed the thing. So we got the T-Rex suit. Totally forgot I had a T-Rex suit. So we're gonna go make a little goon riding video. That's gonna be separate, but we'll include a shot here. The old girl's gassed up.
She's ready to go.
You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
The handguards on this thing, I never know what they're doing. One's always like hanging low, one's always high.
What's that?
The handguards. Those things. Yeah.
Well, you know what? I don't know.
It's for corners. It's for taking corners hot. Yeah, like that. You should see this thing wheelie now. I got her dialed in. I got a new secret.
I'm going to do one today.
Are you going to do one?
Yeah.
You going to end up flat on your face on the road like me?
I'm going to, yeah.
All right, well, we'll get the sled going. We're gonna run it into the side of that crappy Chevy, and then we're gonna keep rolling here. I'm excited for this T-Rex goon video. I haven't done one in a while. I haven't done a goon video for a while and a T-Rex one, so combination of both will either be really good, or I'm gonna end up ripping the tail off on the track.
Yeah, I think.
Either way, I'd call it a win.
It's gonna be good.
Either way,
yeah.
That's how you know it's good, right?
How do we work this thing?
Yeah, well, you gotta go halfway up. Well, more than half. Just to the end of the yellow there.
Where we go?
Right around there. And then pull her back.
Yeah.
Kinda. You gotta loop it around. Go under and then back up to the metal. Push her down. There you go. Don't let it fly up and hit you in the face. There you go. You gotta take all the... Oh, don't wreck my seat. I take the wheels out from under it. All right, let's roll.
Let's roll.
Hey, first pull every time. One of these days, it's just not going to start.
Prime it.
Prime that push. There he goes. Brad, the Extreme Sports Junior. Sometimes you gotta have a first for everything. It is windy out here. Jeez. Nothing like treating a trail or a race sled like a trail sled.
Really?
Don't rip up the lawn. Alright, let's do this. She's breezy down here.
It's way colder down here.
I know, it's so friggin' windy. The river is opening. Oh, downhole. The river's opening up quick. This morning this was all frozen and it started as a little stream. And as you can see, I wouldn't go too far, Brad. I'm not coming to save you. Oh! Hey, we should throw a line out of there. I bet the salmon are probably running by now, eh?
Get the waders on.
Oh, imagine water skipping up that little stream. That would be fun, but sketchy, and if I went down, I would be screwed. Oh yeah, I'd go right through here in an instant.
That would be so...
Woo! Anyways, let's throw this T-Rex costume on and be an idiot for a few minutes. Let's go. Been a while since I T-Rexed up. If I remember, I just don't want to rip this thing in half.
Yeah, the cold might make it a little more brittle.
Or just being an idiot on a snow. Yeah. You ever seen a T-Rex with rubber boots?
I think they did that back in the day.
Not the easiest with snow pants on underneath either.
Look at this thing.
This thing amazing yet or what?
It looks, for some reason, it looks colder now that.
It's actually warm in here. I better put my my T-Rex gloves on. Get my paws going.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Real life.
Eh?
I thought it was a human in there before those went
I gotta
on.
take my glasses off. They're steaming up in here. I don't really need those in here anyway.
No.
How am I looking? Is this the first time you've seen a T-Rex?
This is the first time I've seen it in person. You kind
So
of.
hard to see it here. Oh, man.
It actually looks pretty hilarious in the snow.
It's weird. You gotta like lean forward.
There you go. That's real life.
Oh man.
Oh,
All right, should we do this?
let's do it.
All right.
The real deal T-Rex. T-Rex wheelie.
Well, was
Well.
that hilarious or what?
That was it. I've never seen the Clover Mills T-Rex before.
Oh, he gets around. Oh, that was fun, but it was hot and I couldn't see anything. It's like my hands are freezing, but it's so humid in the suit from your breath. I was gonna try to wheelie on my cab.
I was hoping.
Better not.
I was waiting.
Yeah, I'd probably wheelie right into the fence.
Said it. I was like, here comes the T-Rex.
Just run you right over. All right, I'm gonna take this thing off and let's go for a little sled rip.
Let's go.
Couple last wheelies of the year.
Yeah.
Why not?
Let's do it.
Just a beauty day to do a bunch of nonsense. A little slippery there?
You got a little slippery patch.
Someone should put some salt on that.
Get Brian out here.
Brian!
Salt this.
Oh. Since the snow is so like heavy now, I should be able to just stand the old girl up. Just walk her like a dog.
Let's see it.
Ba ba da ba. Or I'm gonna end up face planting the road again. Hopefully not, because it's probably muddy. Oh well, give her a whirl.
Let's give her a whirl.
Hey, first pull it. Let's go.
What's that?
First pull. Let's go.
First pull. Let's
Yeah.
get the old pockets up.
Let's go, FXR.
I got it.
Didn't even hit the gas, like an old pro. Quieter without that muffler on
Oh
it.
man, night and day.
You can actually hear yourself after and your ears aren't ringing.
Yeah.
Whew.
She looks good.
It's a lot hotter out here than last
Yeah.
time. Should we go up to the other spot, try a few more, and then
Give her a go. Let's
wrap
go.
her up? 'cause we built this city. Couple more. I'll try not to run over any mice this time.
Yeah.
Little bastard.
We didn't run over. He's still good.
He's still good.
He's still good.
We made it. Down and in and out. Take the picture and get out of town. Hey, let's head back. I gotta work out.
My hand is numb. Yeah.
It was more numb last time we were here.
Yeah.
The river is breaking open quick. Anyways, gonna wrap this up. Amber has arrived. Whew, that was a fun little ride on the sled. Figured I'd get one more in down here. Well, we still have snow. We're still gonna have a bit of snow up north for the weekend. So we're heading up to Muskoka tomorrow, but yeah, we got a few more videos to post before we get up there. We got the T-Rex one and then the Razor one. So got the sled back in here. She's just drying off, and then we'll head out in the morning. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to do some water skipping next week, and then yeah, we'll just do the carry-on, see what else we got. Hopefully all the snow will be gone. We'll get some cars and we'll start jumping them again. Look, it's snowing again. You can barely see it, kind of. All right, we'll see you guys later.